Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to 2022. This is the very first video that I'm filming for the new year. I took a bit of a break during the holidays and I'm back at it again, and I figured the best video to start off the year to stay on brand with my channel is a Chanel unboxing fail. So I got this recently from Chanel, and I posted on my Instagram stories a necklace that I was debating whether to get, and long story short, I ended up getting it, and I don't know, I guess it was a mistake because I quickly found out that it just was not going to work for me. So I'll just go ahead and, I already unboxed it, but here's the bag. Here is the box. Let's open this up, and here it is. This was the really pretty packaging, very pretty ribbon that they used this holiday, the white camellia, whatever. So this is it. I got a Chanel choker, and I think this was from the cruise. I don't know. I saw the pictures online and I just was like, that is so cool. It's very different and edgy, and you know, I just liked it. I'll throw up some pictures. First of all, can you see how uneven it is right here? Okay, it's uneven. This was already my first sign that maybe this isn't gonna work. So let me just try it on for you. Okay. Oh my God, you guys, this is it. Does it look like I'm choking? It looks and feels like I'm being strangled from behind. You know, I posted this on my Instagram stories, and one of my followers messaged me and said that she was at the boutique. She saw someone try this on with a swan-like neck, and it was still too small. And I was like, great, well, me with my fat neck. So I don't think that I necessarily have a fat neck. I mean, I'm pretty petite. I don't think I have a fat neck, but oh my God, it is so tight. Ugh, like so tight. It just is too bad. And I think it comes in two sizes, a small and large. I don't know, that's what my Chanel SA said. This was the one they had, and it just, no, not gonna work. Forget the outfit, I have it layered, but what? It's crooked, it's tight, it just was a huge fail. And so, moral of the story, sometimes you need to go into the store and try things on before you get it. This is me, once again, not wanting to step foot into a store. I just try to do the bulk of my shopping online or through texting my sales associate, but it just isn't working. So anyway, the one thing I do like about this is it's easy to take on and off. It's on a hinge, and I just find that a lot easier than kind of struggling with a lobster clasp in the back. But anyway, so yeah. So buyer beware, guys. You probably should try on these choker type necklaces in store before you purchase. But the good news for you guys is I have partnered with Second Life Jewels. They are a small business based out of Canada. They recycle, upcycle, repurpose vintage Chanel, Dior, LV, Prada, and Cartier accessories into really cool jewelry. So this necklace I'm wearing is actually Cartier. I don't even know what it's from, but what's cool about them is that here's the back. They literally show you in their Instagram where they took the pieces from. So this way you know that it's authentic. So they very kindly reached out and offered to send me some of their jewelry and also partner in a giveaway for you guys. They are packaged beautifully in their box here. It comes with a dust bag. And so this is one example of a Cartier necklace. Here's a Dior lock and key necklace. And then this one is really cool. It's a layered necklace set. It's mixed metal. You can see it's silver and gold. It has a really cool vintage Chanel pendant. Oh, and these earrings are also Chanel. It's made from like the button or snaps, I think, like Chanel snaps. How cool is that? So they come out with new styles every other week, and they have very generously offered to do a giveaway of one of their accessories valued up to $250. So all you have to do to participate in the giveaway is subscribe to my YouTube channel, and then follow me on Instagram and Second Life Jewels at Instagram. And then comment below your Instagram handle so we can double check who the winner is. I'll have all the rules listed below, and then I'll have the giveaway open for a week. And then when the giveaway is over, Second Life Jewels will go ahead and gift the winner a really cool, vintage, unique, rare accessory valued up to $250. So my Chanel fail has not been in vain. it has turned into a great giveaway for you guys. So just a Chanel unboxing fail to start the year off right and on brand with my channel. So I hope you enjoyed my unboxing fail. Good luck with the giveaway, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye.